guys, I want to introduce myself. So I'm Edison T. De La Cruz and I am a student of Zamboanga Peninsula Polytechnic State University. So ang kinuha kong course doon ay BSES, which is the Bachelor of Science and Exercise in Sports Sciences. So yung major ko ay sports coaching. So ang ginagawa namin ngayon ay tungkol ito sa Path Fit to Vlogging Healthy Lifestyle. Okay guys, so watch and enjoy. Thank you guys. Dito sa part na to guys, nag-breakfast na tayo guys. Ito yung ano natin.
The next day.
So dito guys, nagsimula na kami mag-stretching para hindi maano yung katawan namin. Doon tapos ng stretching namin, nagsimula na kami tumakbo. Sama ko nag-jogging dyan sa grass stand noong Saturday, 6 AM. Jogging na tayo guys. Let's go. So guys, kita na ng picture. Kita sila ng exercise. So ngayon natapos ko na yung yung exercise dun sa grandstand. Guys, thank you for watching. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. I love you guys. Mwah mwah.